Hello there, welcome back in. So today I am making an easy butter sauteed potatoes. So first of all, I have my pot with some boiling water in there. I'm just going to add about a teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to pour the potatoes that I have already peeled, washed and chopped into bigger pieces. I'm just going to pour it in there and allow it to cook. Okay. So I want to say a very big thank you for coming. Thank you for clicking on my video. You are most highly welcome. Thank you. So after allowing it to cook for a while, I'm just about to check if it has cooked the way I want it to cook. So this is just a sauteing recipe, so meaning that I'm really going to cook the potatoes and they are going to be fully and well cooked. So while that is still going on, in another pan, I just added about 3 tablespoons of salted butter, and then I added in my chopped onions. Okay, so this I'm going to saute for a while, and then we keep on the way it is going. So after about a minute or two or thereabouts, I decided to go in with ginger and garlic, and I'm just going to mix it very well and allow it to saute again for some minutes, and we move on. So because I wanted this to really melt in very well, I gave it about 2 minutes for everything to come together, and then I went in with like a cup of fresh cut sweet peppers. These are for the color and for the nutrients it gives also. And then I went in with another cup of hot dog. You can choose to go in with some chicken breast. You can choose to go in with some grilled fish or bacon, or anything at all you want. And then I'm just adding in about a teaspoon of paprika for colors, and then 1 tablespoon of seasoning powder. That's what I just added in there. And then I'll be going in with a teaspoon of pepper flakes. Yeah. So, and afterwards I'll be going in also with a teaspoon of parsley, dried parsley. So these are just basically what I need for this. This is a simple meal. I'm going to allow this to come together, everything to marry each other. You understand me? So I'm going to saute this for a while, and then I will come in with the potatoes. You can see it is fully well cooked, and wow guys, this was amazing. Okay, remember this is a butter recipe. It was a bomb, really good. So I'm going to coat every part of those potatoes with this the sauce and everything that was in there before they came in, and I'm going to allow it to cook on a very low heat because I want it to take in those, the taste, the everything about it, the spices and all of it. So I'm going to allow this to cook on a very low heat for at least 2 minutes. And so guys, after about 2 minutes, I decided to go in with a tablespoon of soy sauce. This is to complete this delicious goodness. Ginger, garlic, all of that. This was wonderful. Okay, give it a try. And then I top it up with some greens for colors. These are fresh spring onions, the green parts, for just the beauty it gives. Okay, and the flavor and the nutrients, of course. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I truly appreciate you. If this is your first time, I encourage you to subscribe. It is free for subscription. Turn on the notification bell. Thank you for coming, and see you guys on my next one. Bye.